Hi Gary, tell us please how it was before our workshop and after. Today is our last day, please.
My name is Gergana. Sorry about my broken English, but I will try to do my best. And my experience for this workshop is very nice, and I have a lot of health problems like a neck herniation, blocked nose. I don't have power. I'm not too active, but after 5 days workshop, I feel very well, and I give my friends a lot of help with this technique, with tapping and stretching, and I feel I have a lot of more power now. I feel very fresh, and my nose is open, and I'm very happy with this workshop with KM+PL, and I feel wonderful with this nature, with water here, and this is everything what I need for my body, and that's
Okay, thank you very much.